Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mishakul Me. Hope you all are doing well, and as you know, this is the Christmas series. So for 8 days to Christmas, I'll be creating this beautiful and super easy Christmas ornaments nail art. So when we think of Christmas, there's Christmas tree, there's a lot of Christmas tree ornaments to decorate the Christmas tree. So here is the Christmas ornaments nail art. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this, and let's get started. You can use any colors of your choice if you like colorful Christmas ornaments, but I went for blue, white, silver and gold, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial as much as I did creating this for you guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mishakul Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will meet you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye, take care.